Okay, here we go. So Cobra Class 4 stitching without the stitch length regulator in place. Okay, so what you see here is the reverse lever on my Class 4 with all the components chucked out to the side. Okay, so you're having a problem stitching backwards in the same holes that you went forward. So this is to simulate that you don't need this regulator bracket to actually do the job. So this will get you through in a pinch. So what we're doing here is we've got a piece of whatever, some thick ass leather, and I'm going to have to re-record it. So this is for practice. So we're going to move forward at a particular stitch length. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to bury the last needle stitch. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to eyeball about where it is on the regulator, and I'm going to go back there, reversing it to about that same distance. So I've got my finger at the end of that touching the regulator, and then I'm going to go back somewhere close. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look, I'm going to hand cycle the machine, and I'm going to look at right where the needle point is going to go right into that hole. So guess what? It got pretty lucky. But if it wasn't going to make it and I needed to fine tune adjust it, I'm just going to grab the lever over here and I move it back and forth, and it moves the needle. I'm going to micro adjust it so that it lands right in that hole. I'm going to bury it, go past bottom dead center so that it actually gets in there. And look, there's no regulator involved here. Okay, now I'm going to continue with the back tack. I'm going to hand cycle it. I'm going to look, and that needle isn't quite going to make it. So I'm going to adjust a little bit. Maybe use the presser foot, get it in there, lined up, it's in. Do it again. Lined up, it's in there. Okay, now I'm going to move forward. Same kind of thing's going to apply. I have to make sure that the needle's going to make it right in the same hole. And this time it did. And here we go again. And here we go again. We're right in those same holes and off into eternal sewing bliss. I hope this helps, Albane for Leather. Pay it forward.